located in Texas. I live in Valverde, Texas, which is north of San Antonio. The laundromat that I'm looking at is in Spring Branch, Texas, which is just down the street from me. And then I've got another one in Canyon Lake. They're small ones, but it's a combo deal.
So you're buying them both?
Buying them both.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, buying them both.
Land too, or just land too, or lease?
Lease.
Okay, long term?
Long term, yeah. So I've got 7 years remaining and 2 5-year options on each location.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Remember though, you may have to exercise one of those options if you need financing for more than 7 years, because they need 8 years on your lease in order for them to finance.
Oh, good to know.
Yeah, just
because I am going to finance. Yeah, I am.
So that you're going to need to either make it a 12-year lease with 1 5-year option, or you need a new 10 and you might as well just ask them for 2 more 5s. Okay. So that's how I would approach it. I would probably see if I couldn't get another 3 or another 1 or 2 when your financing came up, because they're going to turn to the landlord and say we need 8 years.